Chop game. Market makers playing that chop game. Traders getting wrecked, don't trade it the same. Long it, pull back, short it, moon quick. Market makers in the back, left. Confirm breakout. No, now it's reversing. Market makers bait the highs and slice the lows. Paint the picture, then it folds. Fake bull flags, fake bear traps, jumping in late. That bag collapsed. Whips all move, straight disrespectful. No trend, just chop. Feeling regretful. Market makers see it stop like X-ray vision. Liquidity hunting, that's their mission. Retail trying to snipe the top. Market makers cooking, it's getting hot. Revenge trading will break your soul. Fear, greed, envy, you lose control. Jealousy, anger, revenge gets fed. You revenge trade, now in the red.
Don't feel like you have to be in a trade. Don't give up, I know it's hard. Royal flush soon, like playing cards. Markets change, can't trade it the same. Long the uptrend, short the flare.
It's that range game, fake out chains. Market makers profit, traders feel the pain. Candle art ain't what it seems. Chop is a weapon, killing dreams. Chasing that breakout too late, my friend. Market makers denying the sin. Retail trap, caught in that zone. Now traders be holding bags, asking for a loan. FOMO hits, traders load that size. Price retraces, no allergies, but watery eyes. Market makers sell the dream by the dip, then the dip keeps dipping. It's a sucker script, adapt to die. That's the motto, no edge in chop, just highs then hollow. Top down scan, zoom out the view. Avoid the noise, wait for the cue.
Don't give up, I know it's hard. Royal flush soon, like playing cards. Markets change, can't trade it the same. Long the uptrend, short the flare.
Feeling fear, feeling greed, angry, mad. Want that speed, fast, jealous, why? Trade the flex, revenge got you wrecked, now you second guess.
You gotta breathe and follow the plan. You'll win again if you understand. Don't give up, hold your ground. Set alerts for the trend, wait for the sound.
Whipsaw move, straight disrespectful, no trend, just chop. Feeling regretful, market makers see you stop like X-ray vision. Liquidity hunting, that's their mission. Catch the move, not the hype parade. Stay in the game, that's how legends are made. Market makers playing that chop game. Set a stop loss on every trade. Trade with the trend. Or get trapped again.
That's right, guys. We don't want to get trapped. Not again. So here we go in 3, 2, 1. A bingo bango. I said bingo bango. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it is your time. It's always time to make this money. So let's do it, guys. Let's make this money. My name is Joe, also known as Trade Intuition. And we show you how to successfully trade without all the complicated terms, pattern memorization. We make trading not as difficult. That's what we do. All right. Let's put our timer on. Let's put our timer for 4 minutes. It's going to be a fast show. I do like it. I do like it. Countdown, 4 minutes. All right. So crypto bubbles on the daily. I have no idea what that is. AIA. It's up 385% on the day. Filecoin Filecoin up 50%, 50.9% for the day. Dash up 15%. All these are older coins. Zcash up 14%. On the hourly, nothing too crazy. Nothing too crazy. Let's go look at the altcoin season index. 23 today, last week 32, last month 55. Let's go to the fear and greed index. Let's refresh this one more time. For the crypto, we have 24. Hey, Dave P's in the house. What's going on, man? It's going to be a fast show. We got 3 minutes left in the show. Give you a heads up. Let's see here. For the liquidations. On the liquidations, we do have 24-hour time frame, Really nice hotspot right here, 54 million, sitting at 102.7. Let's go to the 12-hour time frame. On the 12-hour time frame, oof, lots of liquidation up here. 47 million, 46 million, almost 47 million, 37 million. Whole bunch of liquidations towards the top. So this is showing that we may go up before potentially going down. We do have this level we need to break before doing so. Let's look at Clash really quick. Clash pretty much doing nothing, and that's pretty much it on that. For Bitcoin, we did come up here to this resistance level. Let's see here. It's all good. Let's look at Sui. Yeah, definitely. We'll look at Sui, and then that'll be the last one. Again, it's gonna be a quick show. No one's here, so I don't do that. I go. But yeah, we'll look at Sui. That's gonna be the only one we're gonna do today. Bitcoin for our time frame. We did come up here to our resistance level, and we started coming down. Now I did this for the group. Made a video early this morning. Price was here. And I'm thinking, you know, we may come down here, come up, come down. We don't want to break this box. This is one thing that we don't want to do. We want to find support off of this box. Let's go 30-minute time frame. This is the video I was making on the 30-minute. Potentially, you know, bounce here and come up. This is what we want to see. However, I made another video for the VIP, you know, where the price was doing this number and we're getting bearishly retested. And then, of course, the Asia opens about an hour ago. They started doing this number, pushing it up, but it's not looking strong. And this right here was just an updated on the video, because again, all this was drawings from prior, just saying that, you know, if we break out of this box, you know, we could be coming down for here, and which we did. And then this was on the recent one. See here, you can get discouraged, Joe. It's tough. Yeah, I'm discouraged, man. I'm discouraged. But yeah, it's tough. Yeah, for me, if I have a certain number, and if that number is less, then I just stop. I just like, all right, see ya. Y'all don't want to be here? It's fine with me. I got stuff to do. You know what I mean? But yeah, man, if I have under a certain number, I go. Let's see here. On the new, but thank you, me, Damien, appreciate that, man. But yeah, so on the new video that I just did for the group, I said, yeah, you know, more than likely we might come for this, you know, due to this breaking here and bearish retest. And then went up. So we'll see. We shall see. But yeah, let's do Sui. People will show up if you pass an hour. I don't know, man. Like, I'm tired, dude. I'm tired. And yeah, people know that I go live at 9. And if they don't know, well, no, they don't. I go live at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want the show, well, then you show up. If you don't want the show, then you know it's all good. Let's see here, Sui. So for Sui, let's go here. Let's go Blowfin and Sui. Looks good. I like it. Came down, up, came down. Beautiful double bottom. You know, if you're just doing the candle bodies, coming up. We just don't want it to break this low. We break the low, man, it's down city. Hey, Mr. Therian, what's up, man? We don't have any legs right now. Yeah, I know, man. It's horrible. So what we do not want to do is we do not want to break this low. It's more of like a zone. We don't want to break this. It's a tight zone, but still a zone. If we break this, there's a really high chance that we're just keep on coming down. Keep on coming down. So this is, let's kind of go to, let's go daily. Man. Looking at the daily, we do have bullish divergence, low and a higher low. We have low and a lower low. So bullish divergence on the daily. But man, this looks really, really weak. On the 4 hour, it looks like, okay, cool, let's go. But where's all this junk? More junk. Yeah, I'm tired, guys. Long day, busy day. Man, huge dump. 4 hour. Could you be catching the bottom? Yeah, sure. And it looks good, you know, it looks like a double bottom, or at least a higher low. Because it went down and it looks very ugly. When I zoomed in, it's like, oh man, it's great. But I zoomed out, it's like, ah. Doing it here, you could brag saying, hey, you know, I caught the bottom. That's doing it here. Safer entry would be the break of this level right here. 2.0857. Because right now what we could do, and again, nobody knows, but what we could do is we can come up, do a lower high, and then just kind of lose momentum, and then boop, come for this. And then there's so much more. Go for it. Let's go daily. Man, look at all this right here. $1.15, $1.40. So you can come for all this. But I mean, if you like Sui, this could be hopefully the lowest it goes. Again, we just got to watch this box. And then what's the percentage from here to here? For me, I'd wait 7%. If it was like 25% or 40%, then I'd be like, well, no, I have to enter now because I don't want to miss on that much. So what I'd recommend, set an alert 2.1247. Once your alert goes off, make sure your 4 hour candle closes above 2.0857. And if it does, then we can enter the trade. Could you enter now? Sure. To me, this looks like the start of something good. It really does. Crypto Coin Mindset, my man. What's up, man? Lurking and driving. Hey, appreciate you, man. Appreciate you. Let's see here. I got your live notification on Twitch, but not YouTube. Glad I got oh, wow, really? Thank you, man. Appreciate you. Do me a favor. Put some comments on Twitch. I just connected my Stream Social Ninja to Twitch, literally, like as the show was going, I connected it. So put some comments in there, and then let me know if you made the comments, because like I said, I just connected it, and hopefully, because I don't even know if anybody's watching over there, but yeah. Okay, the views came up. Okay, so we can continue the show. That's right. Let's see here. Man, I'm glad, Damien, I'm glad you asked me about this. Because if not, it would have been, okay, bye. Like, what happened? It was a 5-minute show? Yeah. Any coins y'all want me to do? Coins, questions, comments, concerns, issues? Let me know. Let me know. I do want to show you something. See here, Ada. This is one that we gave out on, is this YouTube? Yeah, on YouTube. Both of our targets hit, which was good. And again, this is on YouTube. And then what else? That's it. Just the targets hit. And we moved our stop loss in profit. So this one was a good trade. Really good trade. Let's go with Shiba. Shiba, this one was good. We ended up getting stopped out in profit. But this one we're doing at 10x. This is again on YouTube. So this is another trade that I gave y'all. Now we did, I think it was 2 longs yesterday. Those both got stopped out. Both of, I forget what they were, but both of those got stopped out. Man, Caspa kicking some butt. Price is here. I'm thinking we're gonna come here and continue up. It went down. We don't want it to break this level. It went down. It's like, oh crap, we really don't want it to break this level. Breaks this level, we have a high chance that it comes to gets this. Did not break the level, which is good. And then out of nowhere, boom, Moon mission. Really? Really? You're gonna do moon mission right now? Huge candle, came down barely, huge candle, or huge, big candles. So see. Mr. Ethereum says longing right now would be very dangerous. 100%. 100%. Longing anything, really. Bitcoin still looks like trash. The market still looks like trash. Now, granted, the people who are doing regular spot trades, they're going to make out like a bandit. Because let's just say CAS. Well, let's go Doge. They could be buying right now. And if it drops 15, 20%, they buy more. They drops another 10, 15%, they buy more. And then when it does boom, well, they've been dollar cost averaging. If you're doing leverage, you're getting in and out, in and out, in and out. Hopefully you let some ride. But here we got stopped out. 2%. The 7x leverage, 14%, 15%. So a very, very tight stop loss that we had. And we got stopped out. See here, Ethereum Classic is getting a little pop up to the, like all these coins, all these old coins, which is weird, but I'm trading it, So what is it, ETC? I always forget, ETC. Shoot, broke the level right there. That's how we would have traded it. 30-minute. Oh yeah, it's a good level right here. But it moved already. Could it continue going? Sure. And see, that's what's so difficult right now is that like some of these coins have no reason to pump. None. And they're going. While other coins, are coming down or haven't even pumped yet. So let's just say from this level right here, 7%, not bad. Do Dash. Oh, we were looking at Dash. Okay, I took it off. I cleared up my screen. I had like 30 things. Man, dumb Dash. I was trying to short it here. Whoop, stopped out. I think I was trying to short it. Where else? I tried it like 3 times and I got stopped out all 3. I said, you know what? Forget you. And then I look at it a few days later and it's way down here. I'm like, come on, man. But that happens. Where I'll do a trade. It's like, oh, not ready yet. Okay, cool. Let me try it again. Nope, not ready yet. Okay, cool. Let me wait the next day. Do it. Nope. All right, fine. I forget about it. And then sure enough, comes down. But this one, I want to say he wants to come down. We're kind of doing this range right now. I think he wants to come down. Let's get rid of 33 drawings. Get out of here. Let's go 30-minute time frame. So this is the range that I see. Yes, we broke out of it a little bit. I want to short it. I think we might do this. Were you looking for a short, Damien, or for a long? And then attack this. And then attack this. Possible. Possible. And for a short, okay. Yeah, I like it when I ask other traders what is their thought process, because you know you could have been long. It's like, why are you long? Like maybe I'm not seeing something. But yeah, to me this looks like a short. I mean, I like it. Really like it. It's at the top of the range too. Do like a 5% stop loss. 2x leverage. Nothing crazy. Dang it. Copy. Nothing crazy. Ooh, beautiful. Let's come down here. Damien, thank you, man. It's a great one. I didn't even look at it when I was clearing my charts. I was like, what's this one? Dash. Okay. I had so many that I couldn't even see the names. I was like, oh, delete, delete, delete. Won't go so aggressive. Target. Copy. Mm-hmm. Okay. And then this one, you can do a 2 or 4x leverage. Enter now. And then add down there. Even though it's close to the thing, you can still add to your trade. This is Dash. I think one of my admins in my VIP group posted about Dash. Let's see here, 2x 4x short. Let's see here. Stop loss. Oh, enter now. Enter now. Stop loss 119.09. Target 102.76. 92.58. Price at top of range. Larger time. We'll just do it like that. Target setting. Okay. So what I always do for my VIP is I post it first and then I enter. There's a lot of people out there that'll enter, and then if it's starting to do well, then they'll post it and it's already moved. And then they'll say, hey, look how great we are. It's like, dude, like you literally just posted it. How are you saying that you're up 14% already? Okay, and we're crossing the 3 VWAP, the 3 minute VWAP. Let's see here. Come on, get it. Get it, get it. Get it. Okay. I just entered it. Okay, good one. So that's Sugar, what's up, buddy? What's going on, man? So we just did this one. See, Wes says, how's your evening? Tired, man. I'm like super tired. If it wasn't for me, Damien, to request Suey, I would have left. I was like, I'm done. 4-minute timer. Boom. I'm tired. Nobody's here. And then when we're doing Suey, people start rolling in. So thank you, me, Damien. Appreciate you, man. Let's do this one really quick. Any questions, comments, concerns, issues, guys? Let me know. Suey. Okay, we looked at Suey. Let's do CPN. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I don't like doing these. You know, yes, it's a low market cap coin. Yes, you know, it's been pumped, you know, pump group. But they could pump it some more. Yeah, this one's obvious pump group. You know, it's here, you know, we break this level, we short, and then we come up. What was the price? From here to here, 10%. Yeah. So in this one, you'd have to go like a 1x, maybe a 2x. Keep the faith. Yeah. Let's see here. Did our messages show when I sent some? No. Maybe. There's a standard button. What's a standard? Connection mode. Have auto connect. Maybe it'll do it on next one. On the next type. Oh man, I'm tired. Woke up too early today. Too early. But yeah, it looks like it wants to go down. This is the level. Balancing on it. Broke through it and said nope. So yeah. Yeah, to me this one's too dangerous. I'm chicken. You make a lot of money though. Scared money don't make no money. I'm scared. Because I've seen some of these. It looks like they're coming down and then boom. They post again in that group. Yeah. Cherry Heart says, I'm super exhausted. You're just working the magic. True. For Bitcoin. Man, Bitcoin looks so horrible, man. 3-minute. Chop City. I was playing that song, the intro, Chop City. Yeah. And what happened to the bull market? That's what I want to know. What happened? I think me, Damien, put on CryptoCoin Mindset's channel. This is an amazing bull market, and by amazing, I mean terrible. I was like, that's good. Okay, I sent. Okay, cool. Yeah, I actually. Let me see here. What I could do, because I actually did this. Oh yeah, I see. So what I could do, I have it paused. But what I could do, I think you can do a pop out here. No collapse. I haven't done this in forever. I haven't looked at this forever. Chat. How did you pop out? Pop out. I don't think it has to be popped out. No, I think I have to do it. The next one. Let's see here. Haven't gone down enough for me. Yeah. Man, these coins are just ridiculous. Yeah, I think this is the worst bull market. Still calling it, bull market. I guess I should be thankful for the gains I've made. Yeah. And these gains have been tough. I'm not gonna lie. Oops. My cat is right by my foot. I move my foot up and he, whoops, didn't mean to do that. But yeah, where has the bull run gone? Man. Yeah, and we make money, especially last year. Last year was really, really good. Man, so good. This year though, really tough. Like, I mean, you gotta earn it. And some of these coins, some of them would move, but the market is just way too saturated to where, before you used to be able to find a great setup, and then somebody has a larger group, they see that same setup, because again, we're looking at the same levels. Then they enter, and it would pump our coins like crazy. And I tell my group all the time, I was like, hey guys, I did nothing else. I did nothing special. It's just the larger groups, they're seeing the same thing we're seeing it. We're just seeing it like a day or two sooner, and they're pumping our bags. But now the market is so saturated. It's ridiculous. Thinking about some leverage while waiting for a spot again. Yeah. And trade, for me, I love leverage. It keeps the blood flowing. But the smart move is just regular spot. Man, I got liquidated on that Friday where, that everything came down. I believe I was in like 8 coins. I don't think 10. I think just 8. And these are coins that, I had, lower entries. I had 2x leverage. I think only 1 or 2 I had 3x leverage. Really great positions. And I was out of town, come back, and sure enough, all of my thing was just empty. I was like, maybe I'm not logged in. And it showed my money. It's like, I didn't know what happened. And then I was like, oh no. It's the risk we take. It's the risk we take doing leverage. Even if it's a 2 or 3x, it's still risk. But yeah. Let's see here. Sugarheart says, election time had a big impact, made it easier. Yeah, heck yeah, man. Soul memes crazy. Yeah, and matter of fact, last year when the Solana ecosystem was getting crazy, like I was mentioning to the group, it's like, hey guys, like CZ, he's not gonna let this fly. He's gonna do something. Last season, like everybody knew Binance and BNB, everybody, because of the BNB chain. And then sure enough, Solana started doing his thing. It's like, man, they're going to do something. I don't know what it is, but they're going to do something. Sure enough, a year later, well, they have their own DEX. There you go. So in the bear market, I'm going to be buying that DEX, Aster. I always forget what they are. Aster and something else. Aventus. I'm going to be buying these two. Aster and Ventus. So pretty much next in the bear market, I'm definitely going to get Aerodrome, Hyperliquid. Now they may go to 0 next season. I don't know. But I want to focus on Dexes. Link, because it's the Oracle. To me, it's like the Bitcoin of Oracles. Aster, Aventus, some Litecoin, why not? I'm really disappointed in Doge. I thought since Elon Musk was going to be doing the whole Doge thing, I was hoping that this new money would come in and they would hear Doge and see Doge and they would want to buy Doge. And, well, new money hasn't come in. So, yeah. Medina in the house. What's up, Medina? I'm insane. I just do one small one and stop loss. Yeah. Slept on B&B. Yeah, man. And what sucks is last season when B&B was nothing, somebody had asked me in DM. They asked me in a DM. They're like, Joe, what do you think about B&B? Like, should I get the coin? And I was like, nah, man. Like, why do you want an exchange coin? Like, if you do a lot of trading, then yes, it saves some on the fees if you hold X amount. But no, that's the dumbest thing. Like, getting coins, in my opinion, getting coins are going to move. These exchange coins, they don't move. Okay, Joe, thanks. 3 months later, it blew up. I was like, wow. Never financial advice, but I was like, wow. And that's what made my ex-boss a multi-millionaire, was B&B. Yep. It's crazy. It's crazy. Slept on B&B and Zcash, yeah. It's crazy. Sold the Doge and XRP too soon. Too stubborn to buy back in. Yeah. Sometimes that happens. But again, like we don't know that that Doge and XRP was going to continue going up. It could have been it could have been the over, and then that would have been a great decision. But since it went up a little bit more, then it is what it is. Let's see here. I've been stuck on my Zcash bag, yeah. Still holding Doge. Man, I really need to log into Mexi. See what coins I have over there. I haven't used them in like a year. I just use Blowfin. But I got to get my money out off of there. Why did I leave it on there? Because I know I moved a lot a few years ago. Why did I leave those on there? Oh, I think those were not long-term holds. I think those were just, make my 10x, my 50x on these, coins. And they're probably worth like $10 now. Just crazy. But, all right, guys. Well, I think it was a good show. Much better than what I anticipated. We went over Bitcoin. We went over some of your coins. We actually entered a short setup here. And if we get, oh yeah, did I do my stop loss? I didn't do my stop loss. That's where I mess up, man. I mess up my account because I do that. Let's see, stop loss. 119. I just forget. I'll forget, and then 119. And then sometimes I'll set the targets here, and like right now, I wasn't going to do the target. Let me do the target. I just forget. Yeah, I'll do it later. I'll do it after the show. But that's pretty much the show. I appreciate you guys. Thank you very much. And thank you, me, Damien, for the words of encouragement and for asking for a coin. And we'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much. We'll see you on the next one. Take care. Oh, yeah. Let's make this money.